Today's show was sponsored by Hoosier Hills Credit Union, located at 960 North Gospel Street in Paoli. To contact, please call 812-723-4700. Thank you.
I'm Joni, and this is your PHS News Today for Wednesday, January 23rd. Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. And now to Audrey with your Rams Sports Report.
Thank you, Joni. Girls JV basketball won against Eastern Pekin last night and varsity lost. Girls junior high basketball was at Olytic last night. 7th grade won and 8th grade lost. Back to you, Joni.
And now to Ian Wilder with your weather report.
So as you go through your day, it's going to rain throughout your whole day and into your night. We could see some snow as temperatures drop tonight heading into tomorrow. As we go through your day, today's high is at 49, but the temperatures will drop tonight with a low of 21, so we could see some of that rain freeze, and you can see some ice on the roads tomorrow and some snow. Throughout your week on Thursday, we have a high of 35 and a low of 8, and on Friday, temperatures will start dropping with a high of 22 and a low of 18. Back to you.
I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.